Welcome to Aryabhatta Maths World Hubba. Today we are going to start with the triangles. So, what is triangle? Three sides joined together is called as triangle. So, in this 10th class we start with the concept of similarity. In earlier classes we have learned about congruent figures. Two geometric figures having the same shape and same size are known as congruent figures. Note that congruent figures are alike in every respect. Geometric figures having the same shape but different sizes are known as similar figures. Two congruent figures are always similar, but not all similar figures are not be congruent. See here illustration 1. Two sides are there, one is small, another one is big, both are similar. See here two circles are there, one is small, another one is big, both are similar, not congruent. See here two squares are there, one is big, another one is small. Two triangles are there, one is big, another one is small, both are similar, not congruent. What is similar? So, next we move to the similar. What is similar? Definition: two polygons are said to be similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. Then it is called as similar polygons. See here. Here two polygons are there. One is ABCD, another is big. D is 130, S is 130, E is 100, T is 100, C is 90 and definitely R is 90, B is 120 and Q is 120. Here A, B, C, D and P, Q are two polygons are there. If two polygons, angle at A is angle at P equal, angle of B is equal to angle of Q, angle of C is equal to angle of R, angle of D is equal to angle of S, angle of E is equal to angle of T. Then all the angles will be equal, then the sides will be that two polygons will be proportional, that is AB by PQ, BC by QR equal to CD by RS equal to DE by ST equal to EA by TP. If two polygons all the angles will be equal, then the sides will be proportional. Then the two polygons said to be similar, that is polygon of ABCD similar to polygon of PQRST. So, same type based on the polygons we have to prove that two similar triangles have their common properties. What is the definition? Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional. Means all the angles of triangles are equal, all the sides are proportional. For example, two triangles ABC and DEF. Here see here, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Then the sides will be AB by DE proportional, BC by EF, AC by DF. Next we move to the Thayer's theorem. It is also named as a basic property theorem. Basic property theorem or Thayer's theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Means if you draw one perpendicular line to the baseline, then the two sides will be in the same ratio. Next we move to the diagram of that Thayer's theorem. This is the diagram of Thayer's theorem. Next we go to the given. In a triangle ABC, here given ABC is a triangle, AD by DB equal to A by EC. So, next we move to the construction. Join BE and CD. BE means from B to E and from D to N. So, B to E, CD drawn M perpendicular to BA, DN perpendicular to CA. That is a construction. From this construction we have to prove it. Proof. area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? Half base into height, half AD. AD is what? Base, M is height. Here M and DN and EM are the heights. For that, area of triangle BDE is equal to half TF dB into EM, area of triangle ADE equal to half AE into DN, area of triangle DE is equal to half EC into DN. Hence, we have to say that two triangles we have to take it. Area of ADE half AD into EM divided by area of BDE half dB into EM. Both side which one is common? EM. So, delete EM. See here, both side EM is common. Here also EM is there, here also EM is there. So, delete EM. Then what will left? AD by dB. Area of AD divided by area of BD equal to AD by dB. Area of AD divided by area of DE is equal to, similarly area of ADE divided by area of DE is equal to AE by EC. Triangle BDE and DEC are on the same base, which have a common base DE and between same parallels, that is DE and BC. Hence, area of BDE equal to area of DEC. Both are same base, then the two triangles will be equal. From above equation, it is clear that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is known as Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Next, we move to the converse of BPT, basic property theorem. If a line is divided any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. See here triangle is there ABC and D is a one more parallel line and D dash is a which is similar which is in the same ratio. Next, we move to the proof of that converse of BPT. Construction triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we have to say that ABC D is divides the rail AB and AC in the ratio AB by DB equal to AB by DB equal to AE by EC. We have to prove that D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. Let us assume that D is not parallel to BC. So, therefore, we have to draw DE dash is which is parallel to BC. We have to assume D dash is a parallel to BC. Proof: D dash is parallel to BC, then AB by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. According to the theorem, AB by DB equal to AE by EC. Then according to the first theorem, E and E dash must be coincident. This proves D is parallel to BC. So, this we have to prove that D is also parallel to BC. This is called converse of basic property theorem. Okay. All of you students, I think understand whatever I have taught you, you have to understand it, and if you have any difficulty, you will ask me. Okay. Thank you once again all of you.